Welcome to the online video series presented by Structure Studios. This video will help us create a dry in-pool seating area. It's important to first watch the basic training video series to fully understand everything covered in this video. Here we see our completed project, but how did we get here? We'll go step by step and show the secret method to create a dry area inside of our pool. We'll start by designing in the hardscapes and deck stage. We'll be drawing smaller shapes, so we'll set our grid to 3 inches. We'll also make sure all of our snaps and constraints are turned on. We'll create hardscapes inside of our pool. As long as the hardscapes don't touch the edge of our pool shape and are contained fully inside, they'll appear as normal. We'll create a hardscape at 0 feet 0 inches and copy and paste it. These first 2 shapes will act as our stepping stones to get into our dry area inside of our pool shape. Next, we'll create the general shape we want to have for our seating. We'll draw a large 6-foot circle first, but we want to create a key shape, so we'll draw another shape as a guide, 5 by 2. We'll line this shape up using the midpoints so that they're evenly distributed. We'll then move our arc so it matches the bottom line of our shape. We'll now use outline to trace around these 2 shapes to create one single shape. We'll delete the originals, and don't worry if your shape wasn't perfect, use the Move tool to adjust the points until it's exactly as it needs to be. Everything is looking good so far, so now let's create our sunken area, again using a hardscape. We'll use the Outline tool and offset 9 inches inside of our shape. We'll trace all the way around and give a negative height. Hardscapes inside of other hardscapes set to negative heights will cut out of each other, as we see here in 3D. However, it's still filled with water. We'll fix that in a few moments. Next, we need to create stairs going down into our sunken area. We'll attach a staircase tool and flip underground. We'll set the height of our steps to 9 inches and auto-generate the step count. Next, we'll convert to hardscapes. We could have drawn these one by one, but by using the staircase tool, we quickly and easily created stairs going down into our sunken area. Let's add one final detail, and then we'll create our dry area. We'll use a combination of the Line tool and Outline tool to create a seat wall around the inside of our sunken area. Once complete, we'll set our height to -1 foot 6 inches. Everything looks great in 3D, but there's still water. Here's the secret to creating our dry area. We're going to draw a spa that's inside of our sunken area, inside of the 2 walls we created. We'll set our coping width all the way down to 1 inch and turn coping off, and then set a negative height. We want to set a height deeper than the pool. Our pool is 6 feet deep, so we can set any value greater than that. In 3D, once we've set our negative value, there will not be any water where the spa was created. We'll add another detail, a table in the middle using custom shapes. While we do, let's review how we create our dry area. We start with hardscapes, an outer shape, and then an inner shape set to a negative height. Then the final secret, we'll take a spa inside of those 2 shapes. We'll make sure that spa is set to a negative height that is at least as deep as the pool. If your pool is 8 feet deep, make sure that the spa is at least 9 feet deep. Here in 3D, we see the magic. A dry area created wherever our negative height spa was drawn. With a few accessories, we're ready to present our project to our client. Thanks for watching. Feel free to give our team a call with any questions and guidance through this process at 800-778-8996 or email support@structurestudios.com.